Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can check if a given path points to a file or folder. In short, I would say how do we know if it is a file or if it is a folder using OS module. Right, I can show you few files and folder. This is my location wherein I have a folder named as ABC and I have a file named as abc.txt. Now looking at it, we know it is a file or folder, but sometimes there will be chances that you do not know if it is a file or folder. So how we can confirm that? For that we have few methods in OS module. So let's check it out. So let's first import OS module, right? And then I would say folder path as ABC, right? So currently we have folder path as ABC. You can give the absolute path also, but currently we can take directly ABC here, right? Then we can take the file path. So my file path name would be abc.txt. Again, you can take absolute path as well for this also, abc.txt, right? Now, if you want to know if it is a folder or is a file, how we can do that? So for checking if it is a file, we have a method called os.path.is file, right? Now we need to provide the file path, right? And now let's print it also to know its status, whether it is true or false. It gives true or false in return. Let's print it. We knew that we have this file in the file format only. So abc.txt is a file. So it has returned true to us. Now, if I give this particular same thing as print os.path.is.dir, right? Now, if you want to see if our folder path is folder or not, so let's print it. It has returned true also because it is a folder only. So this is how we can confirm whether it is a folder or a file. So now let's check with the complete path of folder also. If we are giving absolute path and check if it is a folder or file path. So for that, let's copy this and keep it here. We need to use double slashes here because of the escape sequence characters. Similarly for this, to provide path in Windows, we need to provide these escape sequence double slashes we need to use for the paths. Now let's run this. Now we have the absolute path. Now we will see if these are the files or folders. So in both cases it should return true. So it has run now. You can see it is returning true because abc is the folder and abc.txt is the file. So this is how you can actually verify if it is a folder or a file. Thank you.